if you can be aware of your energy levels, if you can be aware of what are the things that give me energy, what are the things that take away energy, what are the things that are a drain on energy, what are the things that multiply energy. If you can be aware of that, then instead of planning your tasks around time, you can plan your tasks around energy. The thing with productivity is, bro, कि we talked about this yesterday. हम usually जब productivity के बारे में सोचते हैं, we think about time management. And I think that's where the problem starts. Because if you think about time management, time is a limited thing that we have, right? It's 24 hours. So when you try to manage a limited thing, of course there's anxiety, right? Because, bro, it's a limited thing. You can't do everything. And now you're trying to manage it. Managing is like another layer of work in addition to the normal work you have going on. Tricky concept, right? Which is why I don't like time management. I'll say that perfectly. I'll say that openly. School में IT coaching के time पे I sat down with the counselor मेरी coaching में. My mom was there and she's like, how much time do you spend in a day doing ये वो? I said, I come back, school ends at 3:30 or something for me. So I'm back by 4. 5 o'clock, I go play football. I come back at maybe 7. She's taking notes, dude. She's taking notes and she's like, okay, according to this, you have 7 hours. Why can't you study? And I was like, I can study, but it's just not about the time, dude. It's about the energy, right? Not all time is equal. Sometimes you have more energy. Sometimes you have less energy. So if you're trying to get something done, sometimes you don't need 6 hours. People who are creatives, you know this, right? You will do it in the last minute, but it gets done. Not just creatives, bro. If you've been in college, right? Assignments get done last minute and it goes fine sometimes, right? Sometimes it doesn't. So it's not about time management. I think it's about energy management. हमने बात की थी कल इसके बारे में. Energy management means कि time, which is a limited concept, 24 hours in a day. We all have 24 hours in a day, you and I. But energy-wise, sometimes we have more energy. Sometimes we have less energy. If you can be aware of that somehow, if you can be aware of your energy levels, if you can be aware of what are the things that give me energy, what are the things that take away energy, what are the things that are a drain on energy, what are the things that multiply energy. If you can be aware of that, then instead of planning your tasks around time, you can plan your tasks around energy, right? And ये concept है, bro. मैं सीधे बता देता हूँ. अभी जब मैं कह रहा हूँ ये, it's a concept. It doesn't mean shit to you if you don't apply it, right? The only way you can verify whether what I'm saying, about this is correct or not, is to go try it out, right? Try it for a day, try it for a week. The energy देखो, अपनी monitor करो, right? Just be conscious of that. And I don't know if it'll help you. पता नहीं मुझे. But आगे stream में maybe you can tell me whether it worked. And based on that, we can try it out. Prioritization. Bro. I think prioritization is very interesting because the fact that time is limited means you can't do everything. You have to prioritize. But the same thing applies to energy also, right? Which is, I'll give you an example, okay, Tika? You have 100 rupees and you want to buy lunch. Now you can spend all 100 of it for lunch, or you can spend 50 on lunch, 20 for a drink, and 30 for a sweet dish. Bro, I don't know मैं कहाँ से ला रहा हूँ example, right? What is that? It's like prioritizing in some ways. So, I don't know, bro. Energy management, time management, maybe I'll talk more about it. Oh, actually, thank you for reminding me. I want to show Discord abhi. For people who don't have Discord, I'm going to show you a sneak peek abhi. ठीक है? Let's switch to Discord. तो bro, Discord में there's a channel called Mental Models. और Mental Models में we put a video yesterday. This is a Loom video and we're getting started. So you might like this. I recorded this video for 10K designers. मैंने I think January में record किया था because मैं ये बात कर रहा था how do you start off 2021. But आपको हो सकता है ये पसंद आए because although it's not the start of the year right now, we're probably 30% through this year, bro. Okay, so it is the start of a season. It's the start of spring. So check it out. You might like this video. But back to the stream. You might like that. I will try to share more of these. But मुझे बताते रहा करो bro कि अगर if these concepts are working out for you or not. Based on that, I'll tweak it. How do you keep your energy high all the time? I don't know how I do it, bro. But in general, मैं बता सकता हूँ. It's usually, bro, मैं आंसर बताऊंगा, आप बोलोगे, bro, संदीप माहेश्वरी मोड में आ गए. It is diet, it is sleep, it is lifestyle, right? If you can design a good lifestyle that helps support what you want to do, then you can design whatever else. You can design your career. Then you can design posters, wallpapers, you know. Make something. You can make something. You can be creative. So, I don't know, bro. मैं इसका आंसर नहीं देना चाहता because मुझे नहीं पता fully. There are multiple ways to do it. But monitoring your energy is step one, right? Be aware कि what gives you energy, what takes away energy. और उसके हिसाब से, you know, try it out. Consuming content, becoming a creator. We'll talk more about this. But I think you need to do both, right? There needs to be an inflow, there needs to be an outflow. If you just consume, you might not be able to, you might not create, right? The best part about the stream thing we have going on is it's not just one way watching, right? You're creating these moments in the chat, but then people are making memes, they're going and practicing their art, right? I have said I'm going to be sharing more of your artwork on stream. So slowly, you need to do both. If you just create, you might not get enough feedback loops to understand how your audience is reacting. So you need to keep that balance. People are like, bro, आपके sidebar को क्या हुआ Twitter पे? मेरा sidebar, bro, I use this extension called Twemex. So that hides the sidebar. Number one, because मैं trends नहीं देखना चाहता. मैं trends, I don't know, मैं follow नहीं करता Twitter पे जो trends आते हैं. But this extension is really nice, right? Homepage पे this shows you a random person and shows you their top tweets. But besides that, if you go to somebody's profile, तो Twemex shows you the top tweets of that person. तो usually Twitter पे default हम recent tweets देखते हैं, but इसके ज़रिए हम top tweets भी देख सकते हैं. तो for example, if I go to my profile, top tweet, bro, ये था top tweet till a few days ago. अब ये हो चुका है. Abnux 2, वरुण माया, LinkedIn पे ज्ञान चोदू. अगर आपने ये नहीं देखा ये वीडियो, ये है LinkedIn सेमिनार जो हमने किया था. इसकी लिंक आपको चैनल पे मिल जाएगी.